Kia ora everybody and welcome to Nick's Crochet Craft. Today we are going to look at what I think is the easiest way to start crocheting in the round. So this is called the magic ring, and it gives you a little tail after you finish your stitches for the first round that you can pull taut to get rid of the little hole that you always end up with when you start crocheting in the round with chains. So to begin, we're going to get the tail end, and with the working end wrap it around our finger and make a little cross with the working end going over top of the tail end here, and we insert the hook and we catch the working end, which will be the one going over top, and pull it through. Create just a little loop like that and secure that with a slip stitch. You still want to make sure you're holding on to that tail end. If you let go of it at this point, you might just have to restart. And from here, you can just start your chains or stitches. So we will do single stitches, and we'll just go with 6. So we insert into the round and yarn over and pull through both loops. Insert into the ring, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert to the ring, yarn over, pull through both loops, insert to the ring, yarn over, pull through both loops. One more, I believe. And here we have our first round of stitches in our magic ring. So what we can do here is pull this nice and tight, not all the way quite yet, and insert that hook right into the first stitch we made there. And now I tend to like to run the tail end up over the stitch I've just made. That way we can weave it in as we go and get rid of it, hide it in the work. So pull through that stitch and pull through the loop to create a slip stitch. And now we have a little tiny circle. Grab this tail end here, and if we hold it nice and snug up where the stitches meet the hook, pull it until usually you can feel or hear a slight pop, but sometimes you don't and you might just rip it off. So until you're satisfied the hole is gone, and then you carry on working in the round just like so. And I like to weave the tail in as I go, so to do that I will just work right over top of that tail end, hide it underneath each stitch, and there you have it. Working in the round, easy. Ta pai. Thanks for checking out this video. Tutorial suggestions are always welcome below in the comments. Chuck us a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and ka kite anō.